How to turn on vibration in silent mode. So you don't want to miss an important alert, but your phone is in silent. So with vibration, you can still access or you can still be notified when your phone receive an alert. So in order to do that, guys, go and tap on settings, scroll up until you get to sound and haptic, tap on it. Then here tap on haptic. Make sure you select always play or play in silent mode. Either of these button is very active or advisable. Now tap on back again. Go to notification, tap on notification. So here scroll down until you see phone. From the list of app you have on your device, locate and tap on phone. Once tap on phone, it comes up like this. Then scroll down. Now here click on sound. Once you click on sound, go ahead and tap on haptic again. Then here you can select any of these alert. You can see. If you listen, you have the sound of the vibration. So that's all, guys. You've been able to turn on vibration in silent mode on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.